Chicken shredder machine. In order to better mince the chicken and prevent friction on a desktop, the chicken shredder used to high-grade strong glue to fix the non-slip strip, which is not easy to fall over after multiple cleaning, ensuring better rotation. The handle and the top cover are both designed with high-grade diamond, which change with the light showing and diamond like luster, and the chicken shredder tool to smooth texture. The transparent top cover design can more clearly see the degree of shredding. The handle of a meat shredder is anorganic and uses ultrasonic synthesis. The handle can rotate 360 degrees but not easy to fall. The top cover and the base both made for 5 pointed star speckles. Easy to wash, extra large brush. The meat shredder tool twist can be cleaned quickly for comprehensively coarse chicken shredder. Also support dishwasher. Fidget spinner. The Dr. Cable fidget spinner cube is made for high quality crystal, more durable and heavy. The cube has a smooth surface, noiseless spinning, no lubrication, and a beautiful color. The fidget cube can be easily placed in your pocket and carried with you to meet your fidget handle to any time. The cube adopts stainless steel bearing SLA technology and a laser industrial forming technology 3-minute average spins without loud noise. The fidget spinner cube is exhaustive appearance and a ornamental can be used as a desktop ornamental in life. When you feel irritable, anxious, bored, you can also play with any time to relieve anxiety and kill time. The fidget cube can effectively have focus attention, reduces anxiety, and it is an ideal and a considerate gift for children, adults, and other people. Penny Bluetooth head. Upgraded Bluetooth 0.5 function. Bluetooth Penny can easily pair with any Bluetooth device in just a few seconds. Maximum transmission distance up to 33 feet. Built-in microphone and speaker to support music and calling. The stereo sound quality is nice and clear. The call is stable and the continuous simple and convenient to use. Our Bluetooth Banny built it removable and rechargeable LED light. It can be light the distance up to 30 feet away. Three brightness setting can be charged from any USB car charger or 3 feet or the portable power bank best for medicine mechanic morning night run walking the dog go fishing campaigning hiking hunting and strolling. 4-in-1 touch lamp. Touch sensitive night charger lamp with full level of brightness, reaching and convenient light for your bedside table or nightstand, creating a cozy atmosphere. Smart music beside lamp with wireless charger with Bluetooth. Feedmax transmission distance pair two speaker for a stereo setup with TWS technology. The built-in 5000 mAh battery is superable, long-lasting. Rear LED wireless charger was light was the phone wireless charging function compatible with QI phone devices. For wireless charging, the DeX lamp needs to be plugged into a wall charger. 270-degree rotation into a light bar. Find the best position for any of your device such as cell phone, iPad. Both horizontally and vertically, it gives you a comfortable viewing angle. Stylish beside lamp are ideal gift for birthday, holidays, Christmas gift for women and men. Smart music table lamp with Bluetooth. Feed max transmission distance loudspeaker system 2.0 phone in Bluetooth speaker bring you a better experience. Personal safety alarm on night. Outdoor running in the park or self-defense alarm can help you feel safer and scare off attacker. One of the most have personal safety device for women, the self-defense saving up to 130 dB loud when combined with the powerful flashing light. It can be confuse a potential attacker and draw attention passerby. We are serious about self-defense for women. The low battery indicator of our personal kitchen alarm ensures you are always prepared. One charge lasts up your air. Our personal alarm for women are perfect for women who want to feel safe and stylish at the same time. Choose from various trendy safe alarm color match your style.
Emergency alarm
Self-defense
can be applied
item
for night lighting, suitable for all people of all ages, such as student, elderly children, women, night worker, and so on. You can also use them. Dishwasher machine. This portable dishwasher only measure inches but hold four full places setting and fit up to 12 dishes loaded of an angle, easily meeting daily need. For a family of 3 to 4, the double layer design offers enough space for 4 egg serving bowl, 4 small plates, 4 dinner plates, 7 spoon and 7 fork and knife. Perfect for small size houses, apartment, dorm, board and camper. These countertop dishwashers support two water supply mode including a pocket mode and a water tank mode. In a built-in 5L water tank allow instant use when fully filled. The automatic water level indicator let you know when the correct water level has been reached. To use the pocket mode, simply connect the water